there's different aspects in relation to purity. So here's some of the discussions here in this chapter 5, Nectar Devotion. Although generally considered a disqualification from the path of self-realization, low birth does not impede the execution of bhakti. If someone is born as a Shudra, which means lower class laborer, who doesn't have so much intelligence or power of discrimination, but he's a hard worker, so it would be difficult for him to practice Gyan Yoga. He has to study Sanskrit and chant so many difficult mantras and fix his mind on the impersonal meditation. Because his mind and intelligence are weak, he won't have very much success over there. So even when one has low birth, or any type of birth, he's eligible to practice bhakti.